In this video, I'll be showing you how you can link or connect your bank account to PayPal. First is to log into paypal.com and then make sure that you have already prepared your bank account. As you can see, when you log into paypal.com, these buttons will be shown to you, and focus on the add card or bank button. So click this. Now once you click this will redirect you into this page where you can now find the button for linking your bank account. So click it. And here you just need to input the bank name, your bank code, and your account number. And once you have finished inputting them, you just need to click the link your bank account or link your bank. Well, you can also link a US bank instead, and then follow the whole process and how you can link the bank account based on your bank provider. That's it. That's how you can link your bank account in PayPal, and thank you for listening.